welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have chosen a different topic as usual I do. So continuing with the series, let's get started with today's topic. So today's topic is when I ride my first ride on bike. So my first ride on bike is very eventful. I will never forget. That was year, I don't remember the year exactly, but I was in class 8 to 9. Then at that time I chose and I thought let's learn bike riding. So I asked my father to teach me how to ride bike. So he listened, he taught me like this is clutch, this is accelerator, this is brake, this is handbrake, and things about bike, major things about bike, which is right turn, which is left turn, indicator, signal, different types of things. And he next morning he took me to a ground and gave a practical of how to ride bike. But it was that day when I learned small. But but after that my father got bored, so he didn't taught me. He told me that grow more, once you will grow, you will get to learn easily. But there was curiosity in my mind to learn this thing because all of my friends were riding bikes, and he asked that was thing that they were showing off. So I was also wanted to learn this skill, riding bike. So after some months, I thought, why not to take a test ride on myself? So I asked my father. I have, as he taught me last month, now I know. See how I ride the bike. I took two, three times to start the bike, and after 2, 3 attempts, it started, and I accelerated, and after 1 or 2 meters, it stopped, and I again started. Then 1 or 2, 3 it stopped. So my father told me, come back. It is not easy. You will take some time to learn. Then again, 1 month again, I told my father, now I have learned. Give me key. I will show you. So I started bike. I took 10 to 5 meters, and it stopped. And again started. It didn't start. This is how at that time I thought I was learning. But after that my father got posted some other place. But I was with my family members living at that place only. So my bike was there in the house, and I took permission from my mother that I am riding, give me keys, I will ride, will learn how to ride bike. So she thought that he must be knowing. He is saying maybe he is. But I just was not lying, but I wanted to learn. Actually my father denied to teach me at that time. He wanted me to grow up, but my feet were not touching the ground. Actually my toes were touching. So I took the keys. I practiced 2, 3 days. Till then I learned slowly. I learned small bit. Then after 2, 3 days, the battery of my bike got discharged. So it didn't start again. So my father, after 4, 5 months, my father came back again. He charged the battery and all those things still. And I show my father how he was riding bike. At that time, I learned two things. After that, I started taking keys and starting showing off on roads. I was able to ride the bike on roads because sometimes that used I used to get jerk sometimes by the no slow start, but I could gain more confidence to ride the bike. So balancing was not problem for me. So actually, I ride bicycle a lot, so balancing was not a problem for me. So it was just handling the bike, the riding the bike and holding the clutch and doing those things were the only thing I was doing. After that, one day when I was told, actually I took this opportunity to get my father from the station as he came after many months. So I took this opportunity to go and open the car. Sorry, I got the opportunity to drop my father at the station. So it was early morning. She was having training, so I decided to why not to drop my father at the station with her. So while going to station, my father ride bike and he just I dropped my father at the station and he told me go slowly after reaching home call me. So while I was returning, I met with an accident, a severe accident. Actually, in the morning, some group of dogs got behind myself. They were running so fast that I pulled out the full acceleration and speed up the bike because there was fear that no, at that point of time I was a little fear that what if dog catch bites me. So I speed up the bike and after that everything got blank out because I slipped off. I took a handbrake and slipped off the road and got many scratches on my body, my hand, my legs. Even I got stitches on my foot and even on my face, on my body parts. I got scratches. Some was severe and some was minor. So my whole body was bleeding and I wore half pant and slippers and t-shirt. So it was morning around 5 to 6 a.m. when someone was passing by, so he stand and saw me that I was bleeding and I followed from the bike. So he pulled the bike and helped me to stand up and again helped me that how did you get the accident. So I narrated him the story. So he told me that yes, I have heard dogs barking a lot. So I came out, I saw you. I realized that these dogs have done this thing. I realized that oh, someone is hurt. So yeah, he helped me, and my bike was start, and I lost my bike key. Actually, because I usually remember how key just fall in the grass somewhere. I tried to find, but I was not able to find my keys. But I was in start. So that uncle told me that no worries, you are bleeding so much. To one bike is in start to reach home. I will find the keys. You tell me your address. Whenever I find the key, I will give you key. So I told him that phone number and address. Then I ride the bike and reached home. My mother saw me. So she just got angry. She was crying that how I did the accident. And he gave me first aid, called my father that this happened. And everyone was emotional and got shocked how he got an accident and did this thing. So from there, so that yeah, person whom I talked about, he helped me, and he even searched that key for me and uh, returned that key to me, and I am very thankful to that person. So yeah, so I got well. After few months, my father, when he came back to home, he then scolded me and even told me many things that you should not do this thing, that thing, and different things. From that time, I realized one thing, that speeding is not the speeding bike or anything is not a good thing. Even if you are in a hurry, you travel, you try to you try to leave your home early so that you reach your destination at time. Don't speed up, don't be in a hurry, because you always get your life. One life is, you have only one life, so it is good to preserve and live fully. This was the thing I learned that day. That is all for today.